Hey guys, this is another short video. Welcome to week 7. We're almost to the end, so this should be week 7 is wow. It's like I should be on a cruise right now, I think. Let's see, week 7. So this week we're going to talk about how to do debugging. So we'll walk through debugging within Atom, Firefox, and within Chrome. So we'll show you how to do proper debugging. Debugging will be helpful because it'll allow us to learn how to check for mistakes, check our code appropriately. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so this is a week of the 12th of August, and I actually, week of 12th. So this is the week of the 11th of August, and on the 13th I'll be on a cruise in Alaska. So this week, if you're trying to get a hold of me, I probably won't get a hold of you because it's $15 per day for internet on a cruise. But I'm sure in Alaska I'll have access at some point. But this is a pretty decent week. It walks you through debugging purposes, how to properly debug, and so forth. So at this point, we've almost completed with the project. It's the beginning of sprint 4, week 1. You've already completed your API. You should have your application up and running at this point, and you're just learning some additional skill sets within the debugging purpose. That's pretty much it. So this week is pretty cut and dry. You're just going to continue your assignment. We'll have some information on what you need to do within your assignment in week 7. Add some features with your debugging and show how it's done. What you'll do is the debugging features that you do this week, you'll add that to your ASCII doc, and you'll include that information in there. What else? So the tic-tac-toe, that will not be included this week. That's just something we could probably include it as a tutorial, but for the most part, what we're looking for here is for you to continue with your website and go from there. So this should be a pretty good week. I'll talk to you guys next week. Thanks.